Your belief become your thought become your words become your action become your habit become your value, and your value become your destiny. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to tell you the most important thing, that means the most important topics and chapter the book. This book include 24 chapter, depend on your daily life, achievement, believing in yourself and lot blah blah blah. So in this video I will cover the most important for chapter, the believing yourself. Start to believe yourself. Why the most important thing that lot of people try to believe yourself? Okay, why they successful people they try to believe yourself first? Because they don't have lot of something, that resources, that very much money, and not something that present already, but they try to be start, put your 100%, they try to be work on your target, and after that they will easily achieve each and everything that they want, and that's why they feel very much better. So this type of journey that I want to tell you in this video. So watch this video till the end. Believing yourself, the most important part. Why? Because whenever you feel very much better, whenever you feel sad, so this time your confidence is help to be push yourself, not decrease yourself, right? So confidence is the this type of part, this type of thing that they decide is try to be increase or decrease yourself, because you have confidence. So this time you feel push yourself, increase yourself most and most time. Okay, and you don't have confidence, so you will never try to push yourself, because of the difference between the confident person and underconfident person. Okay, so you have to push yourself in your interaction, what they are think about, what they are say about your work, what they are say about your skill, what they are say about your inner action, your inner world, and that's why they feel you very much better. So lot of topic, that means lot of example that including in that book. Okay, but I don't want to share the each and every part of that chapter, but I will try to reach out of this session. That means the most important line that including in that book, that line is, घटना का घटना आपके हाथ में नहीं, लेकिन घटना में रंग भरना आपके हाथ में है. That is the most important line including in that book, and I very like that. I like so much.